Hey, how you doing? This is Marcus. Here's my top 3 books that you need to read if you're trying to learn AI.
Keep the main thing, the main thing.
I'm actually going to give you these books in my top 3. So I'm going to go 3, 2, 1. So the first book that you have to check out is The Master Algorithm by Pedro Domingus. This book's amazing. And in the context that I want you to read these books is how I like what the conclusions that they came to. The Master Algorithm talks about how there's no one algorithm to rule them all. You're going to have to be able to use multiple algorithms to do multiple things. And that's why I really like that concept. Nowadays, people talking about agentic AI, and you're going to need multiple different agents, and you're going to have a way to like orchestrate those agents for what they do, and they're all going to have to work together as a master algorithm or master agent type situation. So that's the number 3 book. So this used to be the OG number 1 book I used to recommend people to read, because I, like myself, this book is absolutely trashes AI. This book was written probably about 10, 15 years ago. This was before LLMs, but the books I'm giving you are what I would say non-perishable. So you need to read these books to get a good background on things. So the next book is On Intelligence by Jeff Hawkins. Jeff Hawkins, he created the Palm Pilot, and he's a neuroscientist and computer scientist. And what's interesting about Jeff Hawkins is Jeff Hawkins, he sounds like a total skeptic most of the book, but then he talks about trying to create an intelligent machine, should I say. Now, this is actually super in line with what the master algorithm is talking about. So you need to read the books. What I really like about them, and the master algorithm, it gives you a master course, and it talks about AI. It tells you all these algorithms. On Intelligence goes into that, but it also talks about more neuroscience in On Intelligence, because Jeff Hawkins is a neuroscientist. So fascinating books, because what we're trying to do is trying to recreate the brain in some sense, right? So my number 1 book for AI and talking about technology and how technology replaces things is The Fourth Age by Byron Reese. This book knocked On Intelligence out my top spot. So this talks about AI, robotics, and things of that nature. And what you're really going to appreciate about this book is it talks about how a lot of people are worried about how AI is going to take jobs and all this different things like that. But Byron Reese, in his book, he talks about technology has always replaced jobs. And his argument is it's going to create better jobs. For instance, in cybersecurity, there's a lot of people that got burnt out looking at alerts and all those different things. If you can replace that with AI, with LLMs, and LLMs doing function calls, that might get rid of some of the burnout there. So that was a quick overview of my top 3 books. I think you should read all of them if you're trying to do AI. And I hope you like this list. I always say there are many lists, but this top 3 list for learning AI is my list.
I'm looking in the mirror, what do I see? I see the only person alive that could stop me. I'ma push it to the limit, with it everything I got. I'm a rocket ship in motion, I'm headed to the top.